Hello and welcome everyone. Today's sort of an introduction video. So if you're sort of wanting and starting your shaving voyage, regardless of your age or gender, you might feel the need or the the pressure into getting into conscious razor shaving, because that's the most common thing out there. It's very well commercial, and it's 2 seconds, and it is very well endorsed as well. But I would like to offer an alternative. At very least, just give it a try. If there's some noise in the background, then it's my daughter sort of playing around with some stuff. I will be shortening down the video just for your sake, so you don't have to watch that much. So you can, instead of getting the things in the cans, you can get a puck like this. It's inexpensive and it's going to last you a long time. This is of course Haslinger. It's from Germany, but there are a wide variety of many other soaps, and it doesn't need to be sort of a hard one like this. Very little scent to it, soapy scent. What you want to do is that you want to brush as well. This is going to be a luxurious experience for you, I will almost guarantee it. You wet it, shake it so it's wet but not dripping, and then you go over it, this puck, until you have sort of a nice foaminess on your brush, and then you put it on your face. You may also, because I have quite sensitive skin, have this as a pre-shave, which will make your beard ready for shave. Prepare it before you put on what's on your brush. Then today I'm going with a vintage safety razor from Gillette, simply because that's what I'm feeling like. You can also get this is a Parker. Just Google Parker safety razor. Yeah, and I'm turning into a fairy now. Fairly simple. Put in a blade, close it up, and then shave. You'll need something like this as well. This is a double-edged safety blade. And what you want to do, open up your razor, and this is the most simplistic design out there. And the guards are where the blade should go, like this. And then you close it up. You make sure that it is mostly even on both sides. This one is. There are some overhangs, so if you are shaving under here, you should be aware that this can cut you, but as long as you're aware of it, it won't harm you. Let's get on. So we're back. This is how it can look. This is a very nice example of it, actually. We have our razor. I'll put some water onto it, and now you should not go straightly down. You shouldn't go like this, but you should go a bit like this at an angle. That way it's going to cut, and you will feel it cutting. Let's get on. And when one side is filled with shaving cream, you just tilt the razor onto the other side. We'll wet the face and put on another layer and do it again. Second time I'm going to go this way, because mapping your face is important and knowing what direction your hair goes, and you should go with it the way it grows on the first one. Same way goes the legs and there we go, that's how it is. Was a lot on my skin today to shave, but all right enough. And no pressure, don't add any pressure when you put it on your skin. Let the blade do the work, otherwise it will cut you and you might end up cutting yourself just a little bit anyway. When it feels like the blade is tucking the hair, still no pressure whatsoever, then it's time to change it. You could use it once, twice, thrice, even 4 or 5 times. That differs. But if you feel that it is tucking your skin, then it's time to be careful with it, because it is sharp, but throw it out. Put in a new one, and you're good to go. Once done, put on your wanting aftershave, and this soap that I used today doesn't have any scent, very faint. So any aftershave will go with it. So that's it. Hope you find the video a bit useful. And yeah, you can get most of the stuff quite inexpensively. The brush I got for $6. You can get a safety eraser also of that amount. It's cheap made, but it works. Blades you can get about $1, then $5, then 5 packs. And this soap is about $5 as well. So $15. And then there's a aftershave, which don't need to be this one, it could be anyone. So about $20 you could get started on this. Now I used this instead of my hands today just because I didn't want to get my hands dirty, but that's it. And then you should be ready. Bye bye.